Check. Welcome after the weekend break. Let's begin again. And today we have a nice news that will shock you out. Because if we're gonna go further with this trend about AI and integration and automation and bots, like one day you could just wake up and suddenly within just a second, your retirement will be wiped out. Why? That's what I'm gonna tell you today. Let's begin. Hello everyone and welcome again. Just before we're gonna start, just a small disclaimer. Everything I'm gonna say here is non-financial advice. Remember, I'm not financial advisor, non-tax advisor, whatever advisor. You have to make your decision your own. You accept the risk, okay? So if you like it, we can continue. Let's go. Remember about these three coins that I have shown you, Dung, MBOT and ASAP. Today I'm gonna tell you a few words about them. ASAP now is going up, okay? So Bitcoin, look, this is a weekly, this is a daily. Nice pump today. Why this pump was here? Because we have a news about the BlackRock ETF and then false news, okay? False news. But we're gonna talk about this later on. So at the moment, if we're gonna take a look at this, I have two options now, okay? Since we get rid of this channel here, okay? I thought we are get rid of this channel because that was this channel, okay? I just took adjustments now, and if we're gonna just draw this line just like that, and maybe just like that, okay? So we have some channel, but it's not equal channel, and this movement just broke everything. So at the moment, I have just two options. If we will fail to hold on to this 28.5, okay, I see that we are doing nice A, nice B, okay, and nice C. Correction. After that, we can go up, okay? We can go up. Here, I was looking for nice number 4 and bam, number 5, but just this news just broke everything. So at the moment, this nice volume, I'm looking to receive some sort of confirmation that we're gonna go sideways. If this is gonna be sideways, that could be our wave 4. So 1, 2, 3, impulse, okay, wave 4. If we will fell down here at this level, it means it was just the correction ABC and now we are going down, okay, we are going down. So at the moment, I don't think so something will happen, the Bitcoin will wait. That's why we can see a lot of coins are just pumping. Look, they are pumping. It's like DOC 30%, okay, UMA 18%, Bake, something is cooking 10%, Strax 18%, ZRX, DIA. We have a lot of oracles season seems to be coming after TRB pump like 10x in this market. Now we are kind of heading to other coins as well. So for the moment, I would take a look at the compound, maybe not Link, okay, Chainlink. If we're gonna go to daily. 1 second. If we're gonna go to daily, we can see that Chainlink is in this channel. You see, this small channel, okay, represents correction pattern, okay, corrective pattern. So if we started here, okay, and this is ABC, okay, ABC, we should finish in around this place. If we started here and we have a triangle, okay, that could sound like a last correction pattern in this section, which is WXY section, and this is the breakout to the upside. So what I'm waiting now is that if we're gonna hold on the 7.2 level, okay, and if we're gonna break this small channel, watch out because we have a potential to the upside. I'm counting that it's gonna be between 10 and $11.50, okay, something like this. Just watch out because we have this season. Now watch out for TON, okay. TON is looking good as well. if we're gonna take a look at this wave, so 1, 2, okay, 3, this is gonna be 4, and I think this 4 could take something like this even, okay, as long as it's not gonna pass this number 1, or it's gonna go like this, like maybe I'm gonna just delete this, like this, like this, like this, like this, and then break to the upside. We will see, but for the moment, I see the divergence in between this and the RSI. Okay, like I have to record this small session with the video, this small video session that will show you how to read these charts. Okay, so look, we have a nice divergence here. We have a higher lows here at the indicator, okay, oscillator, and we have a lower lows here at this price. It means that this price is going lower, 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 but the oscillator shows that the power of this downward movements is weaker, 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 because it's higher lows, weaker. So it means that someone is trying to push this price lower, but it has a less impact, and someone is holding this price at the limit order. And then once this person will launch market order, bam, okay? So this person is scooping the price here, okay, whale, and then it's gonna bounce. So watch out. Tone could give a nice run up on the leverage, okay? On leverage. So I'm just gonna maybe add that tone here, TON USDT. Okay, let's move this one. 1 second, where I had this tone, that was on KuCoin. Okay, on KuCoin, TON USDT, KuCoin. Okay, that's gonna be in YouTube coins. Okay, so I would also see ILV that I was showing, and ILV still is holding here. Okay, it's still scooping. But if you're gonna take a look at Solana, okay, Solana is looking quite good in this bullish pattern. Once here we're gonna have a breakout. It's gonna have a run like to, I don't know, about $48 even. Okay, so here I will wait till this daily level will hold on. That's why I have a breakout retest. It's already breakout from this channel that I show, I think, at the weekend on the channel. Okay, not on this channel. And here we're gonna have a retest. So if you are trading this on leverage, I would wait on the retest here, something like this, okay, and then we will create head and shoulders pattern, okay. So you could pick up this here and wait for the upside, for the long target. So that's this. And we're gonna take a look at the gold here as well, because gold has plenty of potential, and the gold is now retracing. So I would wait here till the gold will do something like this, okay, or gold will do something like this. I wouldn't go now. If it's gonna go sideways, we should see some formation, okay. If it's gonna go down, we will see a nice retest of this channel and of this pattern, and then bang to the upside, okay. So I would wait, because we still have a option to go up, but not for the moment, So we have this, okay. I think we can go to see the news, and the news is here. KYC version 4 of Uniswap have accommodated, okay, Uniswap hooks, which means that it will allows to apply KYC. I don't know, but I don't like this option. Okay, so we could see a lot of movement here. I'm looking for a Solana now. I'm hunting for a Solana trade. Look, ETF and Ferrari help Bitcoin rise again. So the news about ETF, it is pumping Bitcoin, okay? But also Ferrari, yeah, the brand, this car manufacturer, started accepting Bitcoin to buy a Ferrari, okay? So as we can see, there are a lot of now shops which are accepting cryptocurrencies through some various of different payments. And like, I wouldn't be worried about this adoption. Like, I think everything is going to the self-custodial mode. That's why take a look at these, take a look at these bots. You remember MEVFREE? MEVFREE is started to redistributing coins. I am waiting till MEVFREE will fall a little bit here, okay, to around 5 cents to buy it, because I think this bearish flag here would continue a little bit, and then it's gonna break out. And I think the breakout then will be something like this. So I'm gonna hold on more, and I'm counting if I'm gonna buy here for about 100%. Okay. Now another one is MBOT. I am scooping MBOT for my portfolio 2024, which is I am reckoning it could go to about 100x. Okay. Why? We have almost 2 million. So let's say 2 millions now is one. Yeah. Let's say it's gonna go 20 millions. It's gonna be 10x. If it's gonna go to 200 millions, and it's no problem in bull market, okay, it's 100x. I think MBOT could go even higher, okay, because it has a potential, okay, has a good trading snipe setup. So these bots that I'm showing you, nobody is talking about them. I mean, nobody. A lot of channels aren't talking, the big channels, okay? Once these lights will come to them, and these bots will be listed on, let's say, Coinbase, they're gonna be listed on Binance, KuCoin, I don't know, you name it, then the amount of liquidity which gonna come to them will be just massive. Like, I'm talking about investments here, okay, that you could decide for about, let's say, $50 or $100, and if these coins were gonna run up to 100, like, what other investment has a chance, real chance, to give you 100x now? Like what? Like, if you're gonna spend, let's say, on a whiskey, 50 euro, $50, whatever, yeah, like, how good is gonna be? It's not better to save and sacrifice one whiskey day or one whatever vodka day, yeah, to buy something like this, and then, you know, from this you could have, let's say, from 500 up to 1,000, maybe even $5,000 or whatever euros, yeah. Like, come on, like, this is the time, like, you know, now nobody wants the coin. Nobody wants the coin. Nobody is talking about, look, adoption is coming. Look, adoption is coming here. Adoption is coming here. Nobody is talking about. And look what is happening in social media in those geeks, like in this, the place where we are. Look, bull market. 1.84% is for the bull market, and 0.44% for bear market. You know what I mean? Like, these people here are scooping, are buying. And if you won't gonna buy, you then buy their bags. That's how it's working, okay? You remember Tether? Tether at the weekend has a very serious attack, because someone found that actually Justin Sun from Tron, he is issuing Tether, a kind of dummy Tether, to withdraw real money, real dollars, which are hidden in USDC liquidity. So if you're gonna do something like this, so Justin Sun tried to you know, this dummy USDT, but like, I was hunting then the entire kind of weekend how this Tether is minted, and it is minted very easy. Like, you see, Tether is based on the IOU. So Tether has reserves which are backing up each Tether 1-to-1. That's what they claim, okay? And there was a big show in the last few years that Tether, maybe they haven't got this reserve. So they are publishing, I think, quarterly reports about their reserves. And I had a report here, which was in the last June, the last day of the June. And they had this report. Like, look like it's done. It was done by independent auditor. And then this document was used inside, I think, the court, you know. So it's like, it's passed, okay? The same audit is done, the same report, because it's not audit, is done on USDC. So if USDC and USDT are operating similar, and similar reports are done by the accredited bodies, so these bodies, I don't think so they will risk whatever they're doing for Tether, you know what I mean? So I think these reports could be, you know, maybe I'm not saying legal, but, you know, trustworthy. So if they are done in the letter of law, financial law, and they are accepted in different region of, let's say, financial law, like they have to be done in some sort of methodology. So I went and I kind of checked this thing, and let's say if Justin Sun would like to create some USDT. So Justin Sun is sending collateral to Tether, okay, to Tether, so Tether is approving this collateral, wherever that is, okay, and then he mints the USDT, which is sent to a wallet of this, borrower, okay. Then once Justin Sun wants to redeem the USDT, he's going the same way to, or maybe different color because he's going to USDT, to Tether, yeah, giving this, and then Tether accept this thing. He changed USDT redeem to whatever collateral that was, let's say USD or whatever, and then back this thing to the Justin Sun's wallet. Okay, so they are approving this. Justin Sun cannot just like this create something like that. Okay, so Tether recently, because there was a accusation from the Israel that Tether is used in some sort of miscellaneous transactions, leads to Hamas and so on. This was published, the wallets addresses were published by the Hamas, by the Israel intelligence. So I'm just asking how this thing is done. Like if, let's say, and he blocked that, and he blocked these addresses, okay? So we have two newses here, this one plus this one with the Justin Sun. So these addresses, okay, have been blocked by the Tether. But I'm asking, like, let's say, and like I'm a process mapper, okay? Let's say I was the guy who would like to frame somebody. So I use USDT and I send it to some wallets, which they, let's say, later on I could claim that they were spending this on some sort of different, let's say, illegal activities, okay? Then I spend them myself, these wallets, in the country that I would like to, let's say, accuse about something, and voila, that's what we have, okay? I'm just saying, like, I don't see the evidence that these wallets are belongs to such an entity. You know what I mean? This is only a word of the intelligence, okay? Like, why I should trust that intelligence if this intelligence has a business in recent activities? You know what I mean? So I don't believe in that, okay? I don't believe. But anyway, they blocked this thing. And now we're going. Gary Gensler, okay, warns about impending AI throughout financial crisis, okay? Nearly unavoidable. So you remember this pump that I was showing you at the Bitcoin in the beginning of this video, this one? It's this pump was created. I was actually just near the monitor, and I was looking and said, what? So this pump was created when I think CoinDesk release news about ETF accepted by approved by SEC. That was iShares ETF, so that was BlackRock ETF. And Moon, suddenly it was a fake news. So what I want to show you here is that if this is fake news, and let's say we have trading bots connected almost everywhere now, okay? Trading bots everywhere. We have derivatives, we have leverages, okay? We have pension funds are using different collateral-based CDOs and whatsoever, okay? So synthetic CDOs, let's say collateral debt obligations, which are synthetic to the other, and so on, options, So once some news is published by, let's say, some entity, and AI will see this on social media and will react according to some sort of neural networks whatsoever, sophisticated calculations, bam, your retirement could go, let's say if it's gonna create, let's say that, let's say Iraq have bombed, use atomic bomb in whatever, in Israel, for example, and that was fake news, but that was released by authorized, let's say, some sort of opinion related agencies, and by my mistake, or even they were hacked and that was released, and bots just bam, slam everything. So you could wake up and suddenly you don't have your pension because everything is gone. So that's why I don't know, but this throttle kind of bump, which is now in the financial markets, I don't think so. It's kind of good. We will see. I think this 2024 bull run will be like Rocky Mountains, okay? Up and down, very, very, very. It won't be too steady. So that's what we are looking for, volatility. Okay, take care and see you tomorrow at the next episode.